So here is a sort of a classic dish. I find it very like 60s and cute and sexy that way. It's just bacon wrapped asparagus. But one of
bacon wrapped anything, I'm down with.
You can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong.
Seriously.
But one of the things that I like to do, to your point about fresh herbs and dried herbs, one of the things that I do is just add a bunch of fresh herbs into things, and I find it really zhuzhes it up and makes it more party friendly.
It does.
I'm taking a fresh chive here. I've got beautiful thick cut bacon here that I slice.
This is brilliant.
Right? You give it a little extra love. Makes it very Martha Stewart. I love that. Okay, here.
That's right.
So you have your slice of bacon that you've split in half lengthwise.
And then you put the chive.
Then you put the chive down. And then this is the only trick you need to know. Can you do that?
You hold.
She's like, yes, I can.
When you hold asparagus at each end, it naturally breaks where the tough, woody piece is. So, and then you can save these if you want for cream of asparagus soup.
Yes, freeze them.
Delicious.
Keep a whole bag of them, and then you throw them into any kind of soup stock, and then you just sort of thread it right along here. These go into the oven. You want to start low here so the bacon has time to render all that glorious fat, and then throw it under the broiler for the last 2 minutes so that it gets super crispy.
Look at that.
So delicious.
Adorable.
These, you're just gonna pop like a breadstick. But if there were to be leftovers, throw it under a poached egg on Monday morning.
I was just gonna say eggs, right?
Oh my gosh, so good.
Throw it in an omelet or a poached egg.